for the day I could join the crusty crew, and now I'm ready.
Let me guess, Tiny. A small salad.
I'll take a double triple bossy deluxe on a raft, 4x4 animal style. Extra shingles with a shimmy and a squeeze. Light axle grease, make it cry, burn it and let it swim.
We serve food here, sir.
I got it already, Squidward.
Good morning, Krusty Crew!
Hey, Patrick! You all ready for the big night out tonight?
Yeah, it's gonna rock!
Are you ready to go crazy?
I'm already hearing voices!
Are you ready to...
SpongeBob! Patrick, don't you mind?
Let's continue this conversation in private, Patrick. I think some people are eavesdropping.
Well, how rude of some people!
Through the devil doors!
We gotta keep up our strength for the fight against evil!
What a dive.
To the register! Away!
Can I help you?
A double Krabby Patty and coral bits for me, and a silly meal for the lad.
It's not for the toy. I gotta fit in the tights, you know.
Whatever. $5, please.
You got it, Bucky.
What's going on out here? My babies! Get away, barbarian! What have you done? Nice clean money. Soiled! I'll take care of you. I'll clean you up.
Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry for one. Help! Help!
My leg! Can't you see we're closed? Clear the way!
And now, spin technique. Double overhand squirrel knot.
I'm gonna get you tomorrow, SpongeBob.
That'll be the day.
Hey, you call this food? My sandwich tastes like a fried boot.
My sandwich is a fried boot!
You'll never catch me, Crabs. Not when I shift into maximum overdrive. Hi-ya! I knew I should have gotten the turbo.
After you, Mr. Squidward.
Why, thank you, Mr. Squidward.
Hey, Squidward. Guess who just got a job?
Guess who just quit?
All you have to do is answer the phone.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick. I'm not a Krusty Krab.
Excuse me. Can I get a couple ice cubes in here, please?
Sure. A couple of ice cubes coming up. Here you go.
Thanks. Huh?
April Fool!
What did you do to my drink?
I...
You what?
You asked for a couple of ice cubes in your drink, and I only put in one!
I guess that is pretty funny. Yeah. I'll evacuate the customers. You call the Navy.
Squidward! The robots are running the Navy!
Not the Navy! Attention, everyone! Run for your lives! Robots have taken over the